My friends, gather around, because today we need to have a very honest, very serious heart-to-heart about your money. If you are retired or if you are standing right on the threshold of retirement, looking down the path of living on a fixed income, every single dollar you have built over decades of hard work is precious. You cannot afford to make mistakes with it. You cannot afford to let fancy apps, clever marketing, or shiny smartphone tools trick you into paying fees you shouldn't be paying, or putting your life savings into places where you cannot pick up the phone and talk to a real, live human being. Lately, I have been getting so many emails and questions from people in your exact shoes asking me about an app called MoneyLion. They see the commercials, they see the ads on their phones, and they ask me, Susie, what is MoneyLion? Is it safe? Is it something I should be using for my retirement money? What are the pros and cons? I hear the fear in your voice when you ask that. You are afraid of rising costs. You are afraid that your pension or Social Security check might not quite stretch to the end of the month. You are afraid of running out of cash for an unexpected medical bill or a car repair, and you see an app promising quick cash, credit building, and easy banking right from your phone. And you wonder if this is the lifeline you've been looking for or if it's a trap. Today, I am going to break down MoneyLion for you, the good, the bad, and the ugly, so you have the power, the clarity, and the wisdom to protect your financial security. So, what is MoneyLion? At its core, MoneyLion is what we call a Fintech app, a financial technology company. It is not a traditional brick-and-mortar bank with a marble floor and a teller sitting behind a counter. It is an all-in-one financial app that combines mobile checking accounts, small cash advances, credit builder loans, automated investing, and a marketplace for personal loans. Let's start with the pros, because I always want to be fair to you. What does MoneyLion do well? First, MoneyLion offers a feature called Instacash. If you are in a pinch and you need a small cash advance, say $50, $100, or even up to $500 before your next check arrives, MoneyLion allows you to access that money with no credit check and no interest charged. If you choose the standard delivery option, which takes 1 to 5 business days, it is completely free. For someone who is stretched thin and facing a late fee on a utility bill, an interest-free cash advance can sound like a blessing compared to a high-interest payday loan. Second, they offer a mobile checking account called RoarMoney. It gives you early access to direct deposits, up to 2 days early, plus access to a large network of fee-free ATMs, cashback rewards on everyday purchases, and price protection perks. But now, my friends, I need you to listen to me loud and clear, because we need to talk about the cons. And when you are retired, these cons can cost you far more than you think. The first big issue is the hidden cost of convenience, what they call turbo fees. While standard cash advances are free if you wait up to 5 business days, what happens when you need that money right now? What happens when the pharmacy needs payment today, or the mechanic won't hand over your car keys until you pay? MoneyLion offers instant delivery, but they charge a turbo fee that can range anywhere from standard small fees up to nearly $9 per transfer. If you are borrowing $50 or $100 and paying $8 or $9 just to get it instantly, do you realize what kind of effective interest rate that is? That is an astronomical percentage. You are giving away your precious fixed income just to access money a few days early. The second issue is subscription fees. MoneyLion offers premium tiers, like their WOW membership or Credit Builder Plus membership. These cost monthly fees, sometimes $9.99 a month or more. Now, $10 a month might not sound like much when you say it quickly, but that is $120 a year taken straight out of your pocket. When you are living on Social Security, every single $10 bill matters. Why are you paying a company a monthly fee just to help you manage or access your own money? The third issue, and this is the one that terrifies me most for retirees, is customer service. What happens when there is a glitch in the app? What happens if your account gets locked, or an unauthorized transaction shows up, or a dispute takes weeks to resolve? With a traditional bank or credit union, you can walk right into a branch, sit down across from a branch manager, look them in the eye, and say, "Fix this." With apps like MoneyLion, customer service is almost entirely handled through in-app chatbots, automated menus, or slow email exchanges. Thousands of user reviews complain about getting stuck in automated loops when trying to resolve fraudulent charges or close accounts. In retirement, you do not need that kind of stress. Your peace of mind is worth far more than any cashback perk. So here is the question you must ask yourself. Is MoneyLion serving my financial security, or is it nibbling away at my retirement check? For the vast majority of retirees and pre-retirees, my answer to you is direct. You do not need MoneyLion. Here is your actionable takeaway. Here is what you should do instead to build true, unbreakable financial security in your golden years. First, build a real emergency savings fund. If you are constantly needing cash advances to make it to the end of the month, that is a sign that your emergency cushion is depleted. I want you to have at least 8 to 12 months of essential living expenses sitting in a safe, liquid account. Second, put your money in a true high-yield savings account at an FDIC-insured online or traditional bank or credit union that charges zero monthly maintenance fees. Right now, legitimate FDIC-insured banks will pay you strong interest on your savings with zero fees, full safety, and real customer service reps who pick up the phone when you call. My friends, retirement is your time to simplify your life, not complicate it. Do not let modern apps make you feel like you are falling behind if you aren't using them. Stick to safety, stick to simplicity, keep your fees at absolute zero, and protect every single dollar you have worked a lifetime to earn. Stand tall, stay strong, and above all, protect your financial peace.